Now let's go ahead and learn the signs for each of these subjects. Are you ready to learn how to sign each of these? Okay, we're going to go from this side all the way over here. Math. This is what it looks like. Math. 2 times. Math. Next is shapes. It's the A hand. Shapes. And you're making a shape. Literacy. We spell L-I-T. L-I-T. Letters. We do this. It's like this. Letters. Art. Pinky draws on this one. Art. Signs. Music. Exercise. Calendar. It's like flipping the page. Calendar. Emotions. The letter E, from the chest, the feeling area. Emotions. By the way, we use this badge for kids' behavior. How are you managing your emotions? Down here, social skills. And then this one is just an additional one. Now come on down to the excellence badges. And again, these are used for the chart, which looks like these. 3 different designs. The clouds with the signing stars and the unicorn. I don't know if you can see this. Unicorn. And I believe it's the cars. Okay, and these are used where you can cut them out. They'll be small and put on here. And then you have the big ones. I don't think I printed that. You have the big ones where you can use as a collector's things for the kids to be boasting and be proud of. Like they're collecting and they just keep on a keychain to carry on their backpack. So here we go. Let's look at these. We'll go left over here to right. Positive reinforcement. You finished. Good job. Well done. Yay. I'm proud of you. You are an amazing signing star. You did a great job. You're doing so good with that. You're such a great helper. I like how you are paying attention.